Hello, my name is Chris Santos, and I will be showing off a quick tool that I made for Studio Point Blank, which was a cinematics project that I was a part of in the last semester of my graduate program. What this tool does is it allows artists to quickly hook up textures to new materials that they've created. So right here I've created this new material m_test. If I open it up, we can see there are no textures applied to the material graph. So if I close that and I go back to the textures folder over here, let's say I wanted to apply these 4 barrier textures that I see across the top here. The way the tool works is it will connect the textures in the material graph to the correct inputs based on their naming convention. So it looks at their suffix, and this one's underscore emissive at the end of the file name, and that's how it knows to apply this to the emissive input. Same thing for base color, normal, and even ORM over here. So all I have to do is select these 4, right click, go to Scripted Asset Actions, Material, and add textures to material, and I click this button here. A window will pop up asking what material we want to apply these to. So let's search for the test material that I made, and here it is. If I hit OK, it's going to work real quick. And if I go back to the material, we'll see the preview is updated here. And if I open it up, you can see that those 4 textures have been correctly applied. So what the tool does is it lays them out here for you with some spacing between them, connects them to the correct inputs. For normal textures, it changes the sampling method to normal sampler type. For ORM, it correctly splits up the different color channels and plugs them into the correct inputs up over here for occlusion, roughness, and metallic. You can also do occlusion, roughness, and metallic separately, or specular works as well. So this was a tool that saves some time for what is normally a tedious task. And as you can imagine, for artists making a lot of different textures, this can add up to save a lot of time for them and make things a bit easier.